Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the MEXC demo account. The MEXC demo account is a simulated trading environment that allows you to practice trading with virtual funds, helping you to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. First, you need to open a MEXC account and then apply for a demo account. To do this, go to the MEXC website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information and follow the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can apply for a demo account. After you have been granted access to the demo account, you will be given a certain amount of virtual funds to use for trading. You can use these funds to practice trading on the various markets available on the MEXC platform, including spot trading, futures trading, and more. To start trading, navigate to the trading interface and select the market you want to trade on. Choose the asset you want to buy or sell and enter the amount you want to trade. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in your profits. The MEXC demo account also allows you to test different trading strategies and indicators. You can use technical analysis tools such as charts and indicators to help you make informed trading decisions. You can also use the demo account to backtest your trading strategies and see how they would have performed in different market conditions. Best practices for using the MEXC demo account include starting with small trades and gradually increasing the size of your trades as you become more comfortable with the platform. You should also keep track of your trading results and adjust your strategies accordingly. In conclusion, the MEXC demo account is a valuable tool for anyone looking to practice trading on the MEXC platform. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the demo account to practice trading, you can gain the skills and confidence you need to become a successful trader. Remember to always use the demo account responsibly and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.